let me introduce this machine. First, this is the power source. It is 220 watt, and this is the switch. This is on. This is off. This is on to switch on the machine. And this is the for the when I place down, it is only for welding PVC film. When I place out, it is for welding. First welding the PVC film, then welding the PVC tube. Okay. Then this meter is the voltage. You can see when power is on, it is 220 voltage, and this one is the high frequency current, high frequency ammeter. You can see how many current it is when you do the welding, and here is the high frequency switch. This is on, this is off. So the down is off, up is on. And this meter, this timer is for the PVC film. How many seconds welding for the PVC film? And this one is for welding of the PVC tube. This is for welding to PVC tube. And this one is the cooling time after welding. And this is the counter. This is the counter. Okay. Back to here. This first, when I lose here, you can adjust the distance of here. So you can see. And when I find the best location, I tight here. So this is tight. This is tight. And this is the pneumatic. This is pneumatic. When you connect to the pneumatic, this is for the pneumatic. And then it is two hands start. When you place the both two hands, the machine will start. And this is the emergency stop. Okay, then back to here. This knob on the right side is the power, is the high frequency adjuster. This one on the right side is for the PVC tube welding. And the knob on the left is for welding of the PVC film. Okay, then I will show you which one. And this one is for welding of the PVC tube. You can see this one is connected to here it's connected to here. So this is for welding PVC tube, and it is here. It is use this one back to here. So it's a tube, and this one is for welding the PVC film. Then it's like this. Here first it will welding the PVC tube here. Then second it will welding the PVC film. The PVC film. Okay. Then you locating the mold by this glue. Of course, we will give you the glue when with the machine. So you can fix the mold and fix the mold here, fix the mold here. When you place down, you find the best location, and you fix the mold. So you can do the welding like this. Okay, then back to here. It also should be a PVC film on here for the insulation. So we already did it. It is already taped at here. And I will show you a cycle. Okay, also here, you should put this is Teflon tape. You should put one Teflon tape below the mold for insulation purpose. Okay. Then I will show you one cycle. I place the two buttons. You can see. Okay, the high frequency is off. I will turn on the high frequency and one more time. You can see the meter is on. Okay, the first stage is for the PVC film. The second is for the PVC tube. Okay, that's all.